हेलो बच्चों, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक फोर बेस्ट बस डॉट ए आई अल्टरनेटिव्स यू नीड टू ट्राई इन 2025 के बारे में है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। टॉप फोर बस डॉट ए आई अल्टरनेटिव्स फॉर 2024। सेल्स रोबोट 2, Galaxy 3, Verify and for Hydrich. The tools have improved features, pricing and support. Read for more. If you are tired for Buzz.ai, outdated data, or recently poor customer service, you are in the right place. You are probably thinking, I am wasting time and money with Buzz.ai. Yes, then stay with me. My team did a heavy lifting for you, digging deep into Buzz.ai alternatives. We researched futures, pricing, and drawback to help you make an informed decisions. Here are the top 4 alternatives. Sales robot. Galaxy, Dripify, High-Reach. If you are short on times, look at the comparisons chart to make an informed decisions. But if you have the time, when you may have the tons of information from the process, so grab the coffee settles and let's find the perfect Buzz.ai replacement. So what is Buzz.ai? Buzz.ai is a tool that helps sales teams make more deals and talk to more people. I claim to give good leads data, which should help you find more contacts and close more deals for your business. We should use Buzz.ai. Buzz.ai is designed for a wide range of users, especially in sales and marketing. Its maintained user includes sales teams, marketing pros, small business owners and enterprises. Why should you look for Buzz.ai alternatives? Buzz.ai has long been the go-to solutions for many problems, but have made customers look for alternatives. Some of the most frequently occurring problems are disappointing customer service. Most businesses usually take about 48 hours to solve a problem, right? But with Buzz.ai, multiple users didn't get their problem fixed even after a month. Charge your events after cancellations. Once of the user cancels their subscriptions 31 days before the payment, but they were still charged. It seems like they have sketchy billing practices cause I read another review with similar complaints. PS. There have even been cases there are refused to refund users. From all the review to most common complaints were about the setups, complexities to users where the software is full of bugs and indicators have resources. If we are you choosing the private and simple interactions, helpful resources to learn more. Can get a ban from LinkedIn. Imagine spending years building your LinkedIn network that one day you try using Buzz.ai, hoping for better results, but instead LinkedIn flags your accounts and you notice something's wrong. A few days later, your LinkedIn account gets permanently banned. That's exactly what happens to one of Buzz.ai users. How much does Buzz.ai cost? Buzz offers three main subscriptions plans, each with different features and capabilities. Growth plans $129 a month. With plans includes 500 Buzz credit, AI features suite, AI auto comments, sentiment detections, and generative replies. Scales plan $199 a month. The scale plan is the most popular option. It includes every from the growth plans, 1000 Buzz credit, Buzz dial and SMS capabilities, and omni-channel magic campaign. Unlimited plans, $299 a month. These plans provide everything in the scales plan plus unlimited data enrichment. 2500 Buzz credit, 5000 calling minutes, 5000 SMS messages, 5000 generated replies, sentiment detections, companion copies, and 100 magic companion. The tools tried to add every feature to platform but failed badly. Let's take a look at the alternatives. Top 4 Buzz.ai alternatives to try in 2025. Buzz.ai alternatives. First, Sales Robot, the gadgets friendly Buzz.ai alternatives, plus easy to use, plus great customer support. What are the key features of Sales Robot? Here are the top 5 features of Sales Robot. Great customer support. Unlike Buzz.ai, where support issues can take over 31 days to resolve, Sales Robot offers customer support 16 hours a day, even on a weekend. Easy to add LinkedIn accounts. It can less than 60 seconds to add your LinkedIn account. Just log in with your LinkedIn info. You are ready to start a campaign. Buzz.ai on the other hand can be tricky to figure out. Run multi-channel sequence with Sales Robot. You can message people on LinkedIn and send emails in the same campaign. Plus, you only send emails to verified addresses, so you have fewer bounces. Targeted prospecting. Sales Robot has a unique lookalike features that help you create highly targeted campaigns in your niche. Free learning resources. Sales Robot or others free resources like YouTube videos to help you learn how to use the tools if you ever feel stuck. Buzz.io has many helpful resources. Not ready to commit? Try the 14 days free trials. No credit card needed. Still, unsure. Maybe the pricing will be convenience you. What is the pricing of its Sales Robot? Sales Robot offers three pricing plans. The DIY plans 99 months, 20% annual payments discount. We do it for your plans $1,000 month, 200 discount, 20% discount, annual payment discount. What do you all plans $1,500 month, 15 to 20% annual payment discount. It's much cheaper than Buzz.io, and you get the mature LinkedIn automations tool that get the job done for business like you. And for a few more extra bucks, you can enjoy the lookalike features. Sales Robot versus Buzz.io. Which tool should you choose? If check your both Sales Robot and Buzz.ai, and I want just tell you to pick one without explaining why. Let's see that each tool has two offers. Buzz.ai is the well-known LinkedIn plus cold emails automations tool, but it some problems that you should think about. There's also a chance you could get bans from LinkedIn while using it. The setup can be hard to understand and has a lot of bugs. Customer service can take a long time to help you out. It gives outdated data. Sales Robot, on the other hand, is solid reply LinkedIn automations and tools, but is not as strong with the cold emailing. Here are the some of the good things about it. It's a great running outreach of multi-channels, both emails and LinkedIn. It has the unique lookalike features that helps you find the right audience, and you can get customer support 16 hours, find email or weekends, adding your LinkedIn accounts. It's take less than a minute. If you choose a tool that gives better supports and easy to use and don't have the restrict and getting banned from LinkedIn, you might already have the feelings and about which tool is the better. But if the want to explore more options, I am here to help. Buzz.ai alternatives to Galaxy. Galaxy is the LinkedIn and emails automations and prospecting tools that automates sending connection requests, email and follow-ups. What are the key features of Galaxy? Here are the top 4 features of Galaxy. Email Finder. When LinkedIn limits hit your heart, Galaxy Email Finder is the savior. It's used to drop contacts to find emojis, emails for your prospect, making it easier to reach out to them. LinkedIn connection requests and emails. Galaxy automates and sending connection requests out of email, follows up and messages You can invite and hundreds people try to win run multiple campaigns without hassle cold emails. With Galaxy, you are send cold emojis allows you to create advanced sequence like sequence images, someone getting editing LinkedIn invite. LinkedIn messages. Galaxy taps LinkedIn messages to next like a level. You can save replies, follow up automatically, and recognize your chats with text. What is the pricing of Galaxy? Galaxy offers 4 pricing plans: free plans and smoothers and no bugs, struggling bugs and glitches to platforms. Buzz.ai Alternative 3D Replify is the software designs and especially for automating LinkedIn networkings. Use the LinkedIn profiles URLs, make it easy to see everyone's tasks and stats in one place. LinkedIn profiles URLs. It gives your notification to bring like your connection request and it's what is the pricing of display. Replify offers the pricing plans and replies for great something spent. Numbers. You can scope data for the LinkedIn and makes sure you get only cleans the relevant included emails and you can get inbox to manage all your conversation different LinkedIn accounts and conversation. What is the pricing of high reach? Slow customers and you might be the adding your LinkedIn accounts ban and frustrating experience leaving your stacks and want to start it. I focus the LinkedIn's networking plus and they said if you want solutions and it has been the frustrations. If you are curious, take 14 days for trial. No credit card required. See more next video. Take care. Bye.